Creating scientists. In this lesson, we will be looking at scientific questions. We will ask questions that can be answered with a test and data collection. That's the goal. And so in this lesson, you're going to evaluate what questions would be good for you as a young scientist to test. Which questions can we as kid scientists test with procedures and materials at school or at home? Here are a collection of questions, and what we're going to do is go through them and ask, are these testable questions? Number one, what are the differences between salt and sugar crystals? These are comparing. So this is a good question. It's very basic, and you do have an opportunity to investigate, to research, and compare. Number two, how long will it take us to travel to the moon at the speed of light? We will not be traveling to the moon. We don't have the resources for that, and we would need to use that as a research question. Number three, will we count as many sprouts from 2022 carrot seeds as 2023 carrot seeds? That is a good way to compare, and that is a testable question and pretty good of value. Number four, what ingredient helps Play-Doh stay moist when exposed to air, water, or water mixed with oil? That's a useful question because Play-Doh tends to get a little bit cracked and dry, and it does compare. Next one. Which vaccine for COVID-19 is more effective? We will not be testing for COVID-19. We will not be administering vaccines. This is not possible to do in our home. Not a good testable question, although valuable for the world. What uses the most energy? An iron, a fan, a hairdryer, or a fluorescent light bulb? You can use a wattometer and measure these, and it's also a valuable question to learn about energy use and savings. The next one. Which sounds will dolphins respond to faster, a high pitch or low pitch? It's a really good question that compares. Could be very interesting, but it's not possible to do in our home. Not a good testable question. You can test evaporation rates in your home. This is a testable question. Which evaporates faster, water or fill in the blank? What would you put there? I might think about something that helps my room smell good. So, would an oil, a scented oil, evaporate in the room? That's a testable question. And you can compare that with water that also has a scent in it that's water based. Fill in the blank. Will the ice melt quickly? That is a question that basically allows you to say yes or no. It does not ask for a comparison. That is not a good testable question. And the next one is a better one. Will the ice melt faster if it's on a glass of water or a metal tray? Or better yet, a metal tray, a plastic tray. There's all kinds of comparisons you can do with ice. Ice is a good material to learn about, especially as it applies in precipitation and dealing with the weather and being safe. Now it's your turn. Write 3 testable questions that can be done at school or at home and try to think, is this question meaningful so that we can use it in real life for something that improves our world?